Hi everyone, and welcome back. In the previous videos, we explored one-to-one and one-to-many relationships. Today, we'll delve into the world of many-to-many relationships. Imagine you're designing a school database. You have a table for students and another for courses. A student can enroll in many courses, and a course can have many students enrolled. This scenario represents a many-to-many relationship. The solution for many-to-many relationships lies in a junction table. This table acts as a bridge between the two original tables. It contains two foreign keys, one referencing the primary key of the students table and another referencing the primary key of the courses table. Let's create a practical example in SQL Server. First, we create a students table. The following script will create a students table in the database. Second, we create another table for courses. This table contains the name of the courses. Now we will create a junction table with a name, student courses. In this table, we have student ID foreign key that reference the primary key of student table and course ID foreign key that reference the primary key of courses table. Finally, we have a composite key consisting of both student ID and course ID, ensuring a unique enrollment record for each student course combination. Now we will insert data into these tables. This code inserts sample data into the students, courses, and student courses tables. Note how the student courses table uses the foreign key relationship to link students to their enrolled courses.